Hello there. My name is Todd Elson, and I am in year 2 or year 1.5. This would be the end of year 2 of my transition to teach program. And I am currently teaching at Trigo Junior High School, which is in Waukene, Kansas. And I'm teaching 6th grade Ancient World History, 7th grade World Geography, and Kansas History. So this semester I'm teaching Kansas history, and I am teaching 8th grade American history up to the Civil War / Reconstruction. I try to get through the Civil War and get to at least Reconstruction because I know that the students won't be taking history again until their sophomore year. And that was that's what I teach. So, very, I guess, excited. A little worried about getting everything done in time as I full-time teach and get the KPTP ready and get ready to get my full-time professional teaching license. And started this journey 2 years ago. Basically, I decided that I wasn't doing enough good in the world and that history was my passion. So I decided to change everything and go to the transition to teach program. Pardon my dogs. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Sorry about the dogs. That's what happens when you record at home. So I was talking about where I teach. I am at Waukene, Kansas at Trigo Junior High School teaching 6th, 7th, and 8th grade social studies. I'm also Scholars Bowl coach this year, which has been interesting so far. Haven't had our first meet. That'll be coming up shortly, but it's going to be interesting. And one of the questions was what something interesting about myself. An interesting fact was when I was in 9th grade, my homeroom teacher sent home the progress update and put on it that I was full of esoteric knowledge. And I had asked my parents what esoteric knowledge meant. And they said that I was full of useless information. So to be with you and to share some of my useless information. Does anybody know what NCC on Star Trek means on the Enterprise or at every Starfleet ship? By your silence, I will say no. So what NCC stands for on the Enterprise and every other ship of Starfleet is Naval Construction Contract. You're welcome. And as for being a reflective teacher or the process of being a reflective teacher, as a teacher, I make a plan, I execute it, and after that, I break it down so I can see if it worked with the students, and I make adjustments to make it better and get rid of the mistakes and highlight the good things I've done. And I usually do that because I have classes back to back. I have my 7th grade class back to back and my 8th grade class back to back, and my 6th graders are all together. So I know when I don't feel like I've done very well the first time out, I'll make adjustments on the fly and do that. So I'm excited, apprehensive, all sorts of stuff feeling about trying to finish out this transition to teach. I am ready to become a full-time teacher, and thanks for listening. Have a great day, night, wherever you are.